guys, welcome back to Cuisine. In this video you'll see how to make this instant crispy Rava Dosa, and the best part is this requires no fermentation. Let's take a quick look at the batter first. For this we will need maida, which I've already added here, rava and rice flour. Next, add salt as per your taste, and to give more flavor, add cumin seeds, ginger, some green chilies, followed by a few coriander leaves. To this, add around 2.5 cups of water. Whisk this until the batter gets smooth without any lumps. What we are trying to achieve here is the batter should be free flowing, or this texture should be like thin buttermilk. Add more water if required. This aside for 10 minutes. One tip here, if the batter looks thick, add more water, and if the batter looks very thin, you can add some more rice flour. Next, heat the tawa. When hot, add some onions. Before preparing dosas, mix the batter very well, and with the ladle, pour the batter. Around a teaspoon of oil and cook till the base gets golden and crisp. At this stage, give it a flip and cook for another 2 minutes. This dosa may take a little longer to cook, but it's definitely worth the wait. Fold the dosa and then repeat the process. You can also try using your hand to pour the batter to enhance that netted effect. But ensure your hands are very clean. Add some oil and there it is. Crispy Rava Dosa is ready to dig in. Serve this dosa with any chutney of your choice. Do let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. If you're new to my channel, it's time you subscribe and click on the bell icon to receive notifications. Keep watching Cuisine, and I'll be back with my next video very soon. Until then, bye-bye.